Yo, what is up everybody? Tanker here from the Emerald Adventures, guys. Today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. So basically, I have my dad's tractor. My dad brought me the tractor. And I'm going to take it into a few parades coming up soon. And it needed some maintenance and stuff, so I've been working on it. I fixed some stuff on the choke. He adjusted the floats on the carburetor. Did all that stuff. So basically, today's video, we're going to be doing some tires. We're going to be hopefully getting some tires replaced. I ordered these tires on Amazon. I got the right size. The old front tires on that tractor are so horrible that they're dry rotted. I don't know how they haven't popped yet, to be honest. Anyway, this is the tractor that I have is a 1946 2N Ford. And the tire size, I'll show you the size because I know a lot of times people don't like to tell you the size when they mount new tires on something. They don't tell you the size of the tires. So the size tires are right here, 4.00, 400, 4 point whatever, by 19. That's the size tire right there that we're putting on. That's the original tire size. So I bought a set of these. I paid about $200 for 2 tires and the tubes coming with it, and all that together was about $200. So really not too bad of a deal. But today, the main goal for today is to get the tractor jacked up, get the old rims and tires off. And like here's the tubes that came with as well. Some decent little tubes. But we're not taking the tires and tubes with us. We're gonna bring the rims here. Maybe take them down to Davy's mom's house because she has a lot of that old equipment from when her husband was alive. But yeah, there's the tubes right there. That's the size tube as well, same as the tire. Alright everybody, so we're at my sister's house where the tractor is. The last video y'all see me with this tractor is when I was showing y'all how to operate it. It was a very poor video actually. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up here. She's going insane about this tractor. Jesus Christ. Go ahead with the key out. I wish she would hush with that car. But anyway, you're going to see. Here we go. I got it. Alright, let's go ahead. Start her up and see how she does. It ain't starting. I always have issues getting this tractor to start. For some weird reason, I do not know. It's in neutral. Gas is on, keys on. For some reason, I don't know why it ain't starting. My fuel's on. Should be. Turn up. Okay, unload it there.
That's when I drop the trailer.
There we go. That doesn't sound very good. I don't know what the deal with that was, but but we're gonna do some driving now. See if we can get it to go. Should be warmed up decently for our trip over the cardboard. All right, let's get one last ride out of these tires before we have to take them off. Oh, one last ride from the tires. Alrighty. Put it on third gear, boys. Let's go with it. Before I have to start taking tires off, so I'm gonna go ahead and ride for a minute. So we got all of them loose. Some of them are off. Got the tires unbolted. Drained the fuel out of the thing, turned the gas off, drained it. Not like from the tank, you know what I'm saying. And I'm about to start tripping over lug nuts now. We don't want to be losing them. Got the brakes locked on. I got it put in gear. PTO's off. I did replace this. I put a new knob on it. I bought this knob from Amazon. It does great. And I also bought this sign from Amazon. It's okay. I mean, it does what it's supposed to. It's nice and reflective. Take these tires off, get it jacked up. How high up is that supposed to go? Will it'll reach that, won't it?
I think it's 2 stays, but I don't remember now. Stay the jack down there so it don't fall.
Huh?
Hold the jack down there so it don't fall.
Is it racing?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Ooh, we only got a tire off of it. Alright, everybody, so we got the old tires off. Right there they are. I got him to help me jack it and stuff because I ain't never jacked a tractor before like this. So, of course, I knew how to take the tires off because I've changed car tires. But, got the tires off. I just went ahead and threaded them bolts back up on there so I didn't lose them. I did turn that fuel off so it didn't. You know, I did turn the fuel off. Got the new tires at the house. I showed you all at the beginning of the video. Have the tractor, the front of it just sitting on this wood. Just leave that out for now. But yeah, everything's looking okay so far. My next plan for the future, not nowhere near time soon. This tire is perfectly fine. So we're gonna keep this tire. These rims, I'll show you, this tractor has calcium. Oh, if I get down in here, you can see that it's just completely ate the rim. So I am gonna end up, anyway, but the rims are basically they're leaking. They ain't completely went through yet, but if I don't change it soon, it'll probably end up leaving me stranded somewhere. So that'll be my next project on this tractor, probably maybe for next year, early on next year, maybe after Christmas, something. I don't know. Same with this one. This one ain't as bad though, I don't think. Well, maybe. Still pretty bad. Yeah, it's actually, oh, it might be worse. But it's pretty bad off. It needs some new rims and new tubes. But this tire right here, I probably will end up replacing it because, I mean, as far as the tire's not popped or nothing. But it's not sharp as it used to be. It's still, he's letting the air out of the tire. It's still got its, this tire just don't have any sharpness like it used to. It's very not good for traction. But when I drove it earlier, I noticed it was spinning a little bit, so that on my project. It's about $450 a tire though. So tubes are about 50 bucks, rims are close to 200, and this is about $450 for this tire. The size tires, I can't remember the exact size tire. I'll let y'all know. I'll let you know when I replace the rear tires. I can't remember what size it was. The rear tires, it was something 28. I don't know what it was. 28, 11, 28, I think. I can't remember. Something like that. I don't know. But there's the tractors of right now. Let me get a thumbnail of this thing. There we go. But yep, so I'll see y'all. He's letting the air out of the tires. So here soon we'll start getting the tires ready to be replaced. Alright everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and make a part 2 to this video. So I hope y'all enjoy. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to make a part 2 because I don't have a lot of space on my phone and stuff for videos right now. So I'm going to go ahead and edit and upload this one. I got a few other videos I got to upload to this channel as well about pianos and other stuff. Just all kinds of weird stuff. Then I have a video for another channel I need to upload. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I'll see you on part 2. It'll be the same title, but part 2. So go if you want to see the new tires on the rims and you want to see how that works, go ahead and look out for part 2 because it'll be out probably here in a few days, maybe a week or 2. It shouldn't be no 2 weeks. No, it ain't gonna be 2 weeks. It's probably about a week. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here. We don't let all the air out of the tires. I'm gonna get home. I might try to fiddle with it tonight, start a part 2. I don't know. Depends. But I'm going to get off here. Love everybody. I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.